If the views on your channel suddenly stops, then definitely your channel has been freezed. And I am 100% sure that after you see this video till the end, your channel will get unfreeze and starts getting views in thousands and also millions. Because I take the guarantee that if you follow the things I am going to say, your channel will be good to go. Step 1, audio. Use trending audios on your shorts. Click on the plus icon and select the short you want to upload. Then click Add Sound. After clicking, you get this page where you can see many different audios. But you need to only use the trending audios. For that, simply click on the top sound. You can see the total number of shorts created in this music. Make sure to use the audio which has the most shorts. Then simply click on the speaker option and make your audio 100% and the song's audio 0%. And done.
But bro, does using this trending songs gets us views?
Yes, it does. Because after using the trending audios, your videos also starts to go on trending. And sometimes, when someone search the audio, there is many chance of your video also showing in the feed. Till now, everything sounds great, right? But there is one side effect about this audio trick. That is, the audio can cause you to lose your video audio. What does that mean? I mean, if for some reason YouTube takes down the audio from its platform, then the audio from your video is also muted.
So, should I use it or not?
From my point of view, use this trick only if your channel is completely dead. What I mean is you got 0 views, 0 reach.
But how do I find out if my channel is freezed or not?
Here is 2 ways to find out. First, is your recent short getting views or not? What I mean is, imagine you uploaded your first short and you got 1,300 views. And in your second short, you got 1,000 views. But suddenly in your next shorts, you only got 400 or 200 views or even less.
What does this mean?
Your channel is fully freezed.
But bro, why does this happen?
There are multiple reasons for this. First, you might not be uploading consistently. Or maybe you are not uploading your videos in right time, right way. So if you want to know how to upload in a right way, watch this video where I have explained how YouTube short algorithm works. Link is in the description. Another most common problem is you are getting 10K views in some shorts, then you are again getting just 100 views in some. Does this mean your channel is freezed? No, it's not. The problem is you are not making right content, or your way of making content is boring and people swiped away your shorts.
So how do I fix it?
Watch the same algorithm video I said, because I have explained everything you need to know in that video. And if none of this helped, here is a mind-blowing trick you can use. Call out as many friends as you can and ask them to watch your recent short within the first hour. But don't share your shorts link. Make them find your shorts form feed by searching the title of your short. So, hopefully this helps you. Comment blue if you watch till the end. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe and help me reach 10K subs within 75 days.